My wife and I traveled across the country and purchased our first home. It wasn't the style we wanted, so we started renovating right away. As freshly new homeowners, we thought this process would be easy. But we were so wrong.
Look at this. You can see the brick on the outside of the house.
Despite having little to no experience, we were able to transform a variety of rooms. Now, we're tackling our bedroom and hoping to turn it into a masterpiece. So join us as we transform this house into a home, one room at a time. In today's video, we add the finishing touches to our primary bedroom.
Home Goods has all types of stuff, I swear. You found a seat and everything. It's perfect for husbands. I don't know, man. I'm just looking for stuff. This is Halloween stuff, but okay. I'm trying to figure out what on earth to put up in this house. And now we're sitting here starving, trying to find stuff. I know, but still. Let's head to the plant section. Or you can stay here, I'll just go.
Where's that?
It's all the way on that side.
Alright, it's close to the exit.
Close to the exit.
I'll go.
Okay. They got all their Halloween stuff already. I'm trying to get some plants. Mm-hmm. Sheesh.
We're still in summer. It's not even the end of summer.
Y'all don't look at my ashy hands.
Wait, these are real? No. Okay.
Oh, be quiet. Shut your mouth. All right, I'm trying to find some loose flowers to go in a bouquet situation. That's kind of the nice colors, though. I don't know. I'm not really looking for any of these types of things. I'm just looking for loose flowers. There's too much Halloween stuff. What the heck? That's it. That's the extent of the flowers. How did they get rid of all those flowers? All of this was filled with flowers before. Y'all know it's time to go. He's a goner. Oh my gosh. It's a whole runway now.
After leaving Home Goods, now it's time to add the final touches to our bedroom.
We've been through a lot with this bedroom makeover. From knocking down walls and searching for the perfect carpet, to finishing multiple projects and adding decor. Would we change some things here and there? Yes. Would we probably feel that way no matter what? Yes. That's the nature of doing something out of your comfort zone. At the end of the day, we're glad we experienced this process. It's opened our eyes to a lot of things with renovation and home design.
Looking back at our previous plans, it totally lacked our character and personality. Now, after redesigning our plans, we can see elements of ourselves throughout the room. So here is the final look of our bedroom makeover. So that was a total transformation of this bedroom, like the before and after pictures. doesn't even really compare to like, I mean, it's night and day, literally. This is so much better than the original design in the design that we were actually going for. We had a black accent wall with the same design that we had, but it was just all black, and we were going for like black, gray, and white, and just pretty much boring, which I would have been fine with. But clearly I let my wife change the whole design of the bedroom, and we went a total different direction. Even to the point of painting the ceiling. I was like, no, how dare you ever paint a ceiling? That makes no sense.
That was a whole experience.
It was. It definitely was. So thank goodness for my wife for taking all this much time to get it the design and the feel and the style that she wanted to get.
Yes, thank God for that. You know,
at the end of the day, you got, you know, thank God for the style and everything, for getting to the point of being done.
Because it worked out in the end. It did. It's worth it. It is. It is enjoyable in here. It's nice and cozy in here. And we do love it. It's nice to come home and be in a space like this.
This is what I was saying for myself. Instead of being like, oh, I want to be on vacation. I want to go to a hotel. I want to feel like the hotel is here with me, but even better. Like a hotel wouldn't do this. They wouldn't drench the whole place.
No, probably not.
I say that it takes it to the next step, makes it even that much better.
Yeah. It's more personalized to us, to what we like.
Agree.
The style that I was going for is a big mixture of things. And if you want to label it into like one small category, we can call it dark and moody, color drenched.
I'm sorry.
That's what we could call it.
Yes, dark and moody.
If you want to put a label on it, but I'll tell you, it's got branches. It's branching out.
Yes.
And doing some different things. It's doing colorful. It's doing bohemian plants and textures and colorful.
Yeah, you said that twice.
Oh, okay. So I just want to really hone that in.
Oh, got you. Do you feel that you achieved the style and the mood and the dark and moody that you were going for and the colorful?
Yeah, I mean, I think that overall, for all the different things I was trying to do, this is the best that I definitely could have done.
Yeah.
Definitely. I know that each of these pieces in here play a role and
it took a lot
to that whole mood.
Yeah. No, it took a lot. Like each individual piece took a lot to add into this room. And I'm thinking about that now. I'm like, oh, it wasn't like, oh, I didn't research anything. It was like, no, I researched to make sure that it's going to go with the style and the feel of this room. All right, so this is a question for both of us.
Okay.
What is your favorite piece in this room?
If I have to just pick one.
Yes, just one.
I gotta say the dresser.
I feel it.
I gotta say the dresser because it turned out pretty good. I'm really proud of it. I think it's a big transformation and it's growing on me in this space.
Yeah, no, I agree. I think for me, my favorite thing is the dresser.
Yeah.
Like doing the base of this dresser it's fire. Like seriously.
It's fun to do that.
It really is, like to create a brand new base for a dresser and to give it like a elevated, feel to it. And also it increased value if you want to resell it as well.
Yeah.
Thank you, DIY wife, for teaching me how to do it. Also, 5-foot flipper or teacher flipper.
Something like that.
Yeah, one of the things. So, but yeah, no, I know, right? The dresser turned out really great. I really, really like it. And I think for the rest of our home, I think we're going to try to put new bases on pretty much all our dressers and nightstands and all the things.
Yeah. It's worth it.
It's really cool. Like a really cool design, really cool idea. And I definitely love it too.
Yeah.
So what did we learn about this process of doing this bedroom makeover?
We learned so many things.
Don't trust your wife. Don't trust your wife. She's going to switch up her idea at least 3 to 15 times. And you're going to love it and you're going to be happy with it.
By the end.
By the end of it. So yeah, what did you learn, babe?
I learned a lot. I learned that you really want to have a plan in advance. I learned you really don't want to do things on like a super deadline. Like you want to start well in advance before you start trying to like do this decor and stuff. Because in your head, you see Pinterest and it feels like you could just go to a couple stores and get those things and put it together. And yes, maybe if you're just working with neutrals.
Yeah.
But if you call yourself doing some dark and moody with colors and all of this, then it's really going to take you some time.
And if you haven't done it before, because this is the first time for both of us doing anything this colorful and dark and trying to bring some life into the dark and moody area.
We both tend to go more towards like some blacks and whites with like
neutrals,
wood and neutrals.
Mm-hmm.
So
the bohemian,
more bohemian feel. Yeah. This is almost maximalist in the amount of like colorfulness and stuff and some patterns and things like that. Okay. But it kind of veers a little bit more toward the earthy feel. Like it's just, I'm telling you, it's like a hodgepodge of things. That's why I'm having a hard time describing it. I would say keep it simple. That's something else that I've learned.
Yeah. I think for me, what did I learn is to one, try to be patient, and I'm always working on that. I think that goes a long way in and of itself. That goes a long way because it's patient, not just, with myself, but also with my wife, but also with, just trying to get these videos out is like, it ain't that serious. Like nobody's dying, nobody's losing money or anything like that. It's like, no, take your time, do what you need to do, get it done right. Yeah. I would say definitely patience is a big one for me. Is what I've learned, but also continuing to just learn in general.
Because it's so worth it. Mm-hmm. It's so worth it when you put that like extra effort into these things because they're gonna last so much longer. You're not gonna find yourself going back to like fix things and tweak things. You'll be happy with what you have.
Correct.
When you're done.
So that's all we got, guys, and that is the completion of this primary bedroom makeover. I know it took a while, but like we said, it's over, but it's worth it. Like it's worth it. So yes, give us some claps, some congratulations. Make sure you comment in the comment section and say thank you for completing this. Finally, exactly. But yes, on to the next series, and it's going to be very interesting. Say what?
It'll be good.
Oh yeah, it's going to be good, but it's still going to be interesting. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Comment in the comment section. And yeah, I think that's all we got. So until next time, we will see you in the next video. You're hilarious. All right, babe.